All right. Hey there, guys. Happy Monday. Hey, real quick, I want to thank all of the people that took the survey on Friday. I realize that probably most of you that are actually watching these videos are the people that took the survey. So if you're watching, thank you. I appreciate it. I want to share some of the feedback with you guys. Um, so one thing that I'm realizing, and thank you, Ryan Weed, for helping me realize this. So I know that um, I shared with you guys that only 3 people have watched the last couple videos. I think what's happening is that when you watch the video when it's embedded in OneNote, it's not counting on YouTube. So more people are watching than I realize, which is good. I'm glad. Um, when you guys rated what is currently available to you, you said by far that emailing questions to teachers is the most useful. So I would definitely encourage you guys to keep on doing that. I know that Mr. Hayden is able to answer those things really, really fast. I might be a little bit slower sometimes, if there's like a disaster happening in my house or something like that with my kids. But please keep emailing us questions. We love answering you guys and hearing from you. You guys said that the daily video lessons are good, so I'm going to keep doing those. You said you liked the feedback from teachers in OneNote. OneNote allows us to give you guys feedback really easily. That's why we've been using it. We can just write straight on your screen, and it's really easy to give you feedback. So we're going to keep doing that. Please make sure you're looking back at your previous homework for the feedback that we give. Um, the one-on-one Zoom meetings, it's interesting you guys said those are useful. I'll be honest, there are 2 people, maybe 3, that are using those a lot, and they are getting a ton out of them. I really wish more of you guys would go on and use those, especially because I had a couple people say that they wish we would do live Zoom classes. Those people haven't been requesting one-on-one meetings. So I mean, you can have your own live Zoom class. Just request a meeting with me, and we can do that anytime that you want. One thing I did notice is that Summit playlist resources, pretty overwhelmingly, you guys said that those aren't that useful for you. I'm going to start putting some of my own videos in the playlists again. So give me a few days to get those made, but we'll start getting those in there, and I'll send you updates on when those are there. Here's the thing. I gotta tell you, this is tough for me. A ton of you guys, half of you said that you would like weekly assignments that are graded. That's hard. Summit doesn't make it really easy to have assignments that are graded. So unless we make weekly performance tasks, that's really hard to do. I will tell you there's going to be a performance task coming up soon, so that'll be graded and maybe that'll be helpful. If you have any suggestions on how we could, I don't know about giving you a grade in OneNote or giving you a grade in Schoology. I'm not really sure, but if you have a suggestion, please let me know. Send me an email specifically about that if you're one of these 14 people. Um, I did have a number of people that said they'd like live Zoom class meetings. Hey, I hear you, but here's the deal. There's just not anybody really using the Zoom that I have available right now. So it feels like having a live class meeting, I might not get very good attendance at that. So if I feel like more people are coming to the Zoom one-on-ones and we need a live full Zoom class meeting, we might do that. But for now, I'm probably going to lay off of that a little bit. Um, Videos that are posted in Summit playlist, definitely going to do that. And then the keep doing and the what should we start doing, those are all pretty individual and specific. But we're definitely going to keep doing videos on OneNote, and I'm going to start putting stuff in Summit. For today's lesson, let's go look at OneNote. And I'm going to apologize. My OneNote is not working well, so I have to do the web version, so I don't have a lot of space to write. I'm going to do my best. This is the homework from Thursday, and I noticed that there was one common mistake. Oh, it looks so terrible online. Ugh. Hopefully my thing starts working again soon. Okay, so here, oh, yuck, guys, this is no good. I have to call somebody about this. All right, so here's the common mistake. A lot of you guys, when it asked you to find chords, you guys found that one, and that's great. That's good. Yay. You guys found that one, and that's great. That's good. A ton of you guys also identified that as a chord, and that is not a chord. Okay? Chords look like this. What you guys identified there is what's called a secant. Secants look like this, okay? Secants go all the way through, chords don't. Today's homework should be really, really easy because it's specifically going to be about secants. But just for the PFA, I want you guys to understand the difference between a chord and a secant because you're probably going to get a question on the PFA about chords and secants, okay? So go do the homework. It shouldn't take long. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic Monday. Please email me or email Mr. Hayden if you have any questions. That's it.